Okay, now I have this code here, okay, the Visual Studio Code that I downloaded here. Now I'm going to install this on virtual machine, which is in Kali Linux. How can I do that? Okay, first you need to come to VirtualBox itself, okay, and hit this Kali that is here, okay, and right now it is open running, and hit this setting. From here you need to find shared folder, okay. From here come and hit this plus folder that is here and select the path folder that you want to share between Kali Linux and Windows. You can select anything, you can like desktop, download, anything. But for me, I am going to select this part, okay, and then from here check this auto mount and also make permanent, and then hit OK. So right now I have two folders which is shared with Kali Linux. One of them is course tools and also the eDrive, okay, that I already have done it. So now hit OK, and now let's go to Kali Linux. Okay, from here let's hit open folder, and you can find it here, okay, that is right here. And as you see, we have the code which is right here. I'm going to move it to my desktop. Okay, now open a new terminal here. You can hit this one, okay, it will open a new terminal for you. Okay, now the terminal is opened. Okay, I want to install this code, okay, into my system. I already have installed it, I think. Let me search for it. Okay, I have Visual Studio Code here installed, and I want to show you how you can install it. Okay, right now we are into the home, the location, okay, it is in the home. I need to go to desktop, so how can I do that? Let's use cd desktop and then hit enter. Right now I am into the desktop. Let's use ls. Ls is a command that is listing all and everything, okay. Right now on desktop you see we have code here. I want to install this, so use sudo install sudo apt install, and then hit this one and write name of that, okay, which is code, and then the version, and then hit enter. Then provide the password, okay, that you have, your Kali password. Right now it is Kali, okay, all right, Kali, and now I hit enter. So it is already installed for me, okay, but for you it is going to be installed, okay. Now I installed it, and then I can search it, okay, hit Windows key here, and then search for code or Visual Studio Code, and then just open this. Now I don't need this, okay, I can delete it from here. I use Control Shift Delete, okay, Shift Delete, so that is deleted now. So the Visual Studio Code is opened here. Let me show you something here, okay. You need to do something, okay. The first thing you need to do is to come right in here, hit this one, and right here search for Python, okay. Search for Python, and okay, you may not have internet connection, okay. Right now I think I don't have internet connection as well, okay, we will fix that. So let's go first check if we have internet connection or not. I do have internet connection on my real machine, which is Windows, but right here I don't have it, okay. Oh, I do have. So when I search for Python, you see that it is giving me the result from here. Okay, if you don't have it, no, don't be worried, I will explain it, okay, why you don't have it. So search for Python, this is an extension, you need to install it, okay. Hit this one and then hit install. Okay, this is one thing you need to install, and one more thing you need to install is if you want to run your code from here, not from terminal, you need to install the code runner, okay, code runner extension. Okay, this is another thing you need to install. Okay, but I am not going to install it because I like to run the program from terminal. And also, if you like to use theme, also you can install this theme. Let me find it. Okay, this material icon theme. Okay, I think I already have installed it. Okay, you can also install this one as well. So this is the third thing you need to install it. Let's open a folder, for example, into download Python project. Okay, I'm going to open this here, open from here. Now let me show you. Okay, right here we have a Python file that theme give me a logo here that is telling that this file belongs to Python. If you create, for example, a HTML file, it will give you an HTML logo here as well, so you can understand it belongs to something like that. So let's. Okay, now it is good. Okay, and now you may not have internet connection, so you need to fix that. Okay, how can you fix that? Okay, select the Kali Linux, or if your Kali Linux is running, you need to first stop it. Okay, let's close this and then power off the machine. From here, come to setting, and then come to network. From here, select NAT network, and also you may not have a name right here. Okay, first let's handle that as well. Okay, how you can handle it? Let me show you. Hit this file, hit preferences, and then hit network right in here. Hit this one, and then there will be added something like this. Okay, a NAT network, and I have two things: NAT network and NAT network 1, and then hit OK. Now come to setting, and then come to network, and now right now select NAT network. And here you see that we have two things. Okay, you may have one thing only, NAT network, no problem. Just select that and then hit advanced, and from here select allow all, and then hit OK. Do this for your Kali Linux, and also do that for your Windows machine as well. Okay, network, from here select NAT network and also NAT network, and allow all, cable connected, and then hit OK. So now this three machine, okay, Kali Linux, Windows, and also the real system that you're using, these all are connected together, and there is a virtual network, okay, that we are going to use our program to test them right in here on this virtual lab. Okay, so now my virtual lab is ready. I hope that your virtual lab is also ready. So in the next lecture we will be starting, I think, writing our program, or we will talk a little about Kali Linux, and then we will start our course, which is Python.